It is time for a message from the future. It's time for new next generation Pandora box. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and in today's video, in today's message from the future, we are going to talk about the new Pandora box 6 Plus. So not to be confused with the 3E Game Store, because so far I know they having their own brand, and this one is totally different. So first of all, they are using a totally different case. I personally really like this one. So that is what got my attention. What I also like is the menu. They did a little bit of polishing. It looks a lot like the old Pandora key menus, or the very old Pandora box, if I'm saying it correctly, number 3. Also got this layout. So yeah. And overall, very nice. They got very awesome models, as you can see here. I really love what they're doing here. So I really love to make a review about it. I'm very curious, what are we going to get? This one got the 6S Plus, so I did a review about the 6S, and I can tell you that one was not the best I have reviewed of the Pandora box family. But yeah, they are saying this one boots the games in 2 seconds, so if it's true, that is going to be a big improvement. So the layout is the same, and what I think is very funny when they're doing these compares. So I'm going to scroll down. What are they doing here? They are comparing this with the Pandora box number 5. Why aren't they not comparing this with the Pandora box 6 itself, of course? Because this is a really old mainboard, the Pandora box 5. So yeah, this time we're having more than 2,000 games. We even got the support for adding our own games. I am guessing they still didn't add the save and load function that we are asking for. The quick load, quick save. There are some bootleg or other factories that are making these Pandora box, let's say fake versions, and they have this quick load and quick save. And the reason why I think a lot of people want this, of course it is fun to save your game and play it later, but keep in mind, if you can quick load and quick save, you can also save your score. Because if you load your game again, it's going to remember the score you last had reached in the high score list. So that is something they need to figure out. But yeah, nevertheless, keep one thing in mind. All of these Pandora books, and I'm talking about the newer versions, have 720p. No 1080p or 4K. So keep that one in mind. So yeah, this is what we're going to get. It's a revision of the old version. The EDA socket where you connect the cable tree is on a different spot, and we're having a very big passive cooling element. There is no ventilator, so if this is giving the mainboard or the GPU enough cooling, that is okay, because the freaking fan that was inside these Pandora boxes making a lot of big, it was like a freaking vacuum cleaner. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. I would really love to make a review about this one and show you and do some comparisons, because this is, let's be honest, this bullshit. We compare with Pandora box 4 and 5. Yeah, they are freaking old things. They're prehistoric, dinosauric, old Pandora boxes. Does not really compare. I want to compare it with the Pandora box 6, and I want to show you what is the main difference. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, and see you in my next video.